guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, it's 0 degrees outside, my trunk's open, and you could probably guess what exactly I'm gonna say next. My battery is toast. It has done multiple battery discharge. I fully charged it up using my C-Tech battery charger. I've done that. I've driven it a little bit. So now with my new job, I'm working from home. So yeah, I can't drive it as much, but I have been trying to get it out so that way it can fully kind of warm up and everything else like that. With the battery being 4 years old, it is on its last lifespan as far as just not working anymore. Therefore, I am going to go to the BMW dealership here actually in a few hours, buy a new battery, and then bring you guys the DIY on how to change it out and how to register it. Use IMPA, NCS expert, all that kind of stuff to be able to register it. That's definitely very crucial because so it's telling your IBS sensor on your battery itself to tell the alternator how much to charge it. So if you put a new battery in there, it still thinks that, hey, I have a 4-year-old battery on it that has been dying, we need to overcharge it and we need to do all that stuff. So if you don't register it, that's where you're gonna run into problems because it's gonna think that it's still an old battery, but you have a new battery, you're gonna shorten your lifespan. Now you can put other than BMW batteries in your BMW. However, you need to physically code those specs if they're out of the specs that you're trying to put in. So 720 cold cranking amps, that's what I have. If I put like 800, 900, whatever it is, to update the specs, using the right software for those pieces. I'm just doing an easy BMW battery swap. They actually lowered the prices down to $199 to be more competitive with other batteries out there, which is kind of funny because I paid $270 for that battery 4 years ago. Be doing that DIY here very soon, even though it's 0 degrees outside. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow, so being on Sunday. So watch out for that DIY and then the registering part. So that's gonna be quick and easy kind of swap out. So we'll be good to go. Well guys, stay tuned for that. Thanks again for the support. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Time to get this going and warm up as well. Have a great one. See ya.